Hey, you made it! Welcome to the Tricksterhood. Time to bring your trick clone to life, right in your own yard. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can pause anytime or skip the parts you already know. I recommend using a computer, not your phone or tablet, to download your files and create your show. This is going to be fast, fun, and just spooky enough to make you want to sit back and watch me perform like I'm headlining Hauntapalooza. Step 1. Extract your downloaded pack. After you download your pack, you must extract the files before you can use them. Don't worry, extracting your pack is as easy as unwrapping Halloween candy. For Windows PC users, go to your Downloads folder and find your pack. It will be a .zip file and look something like this. Right-click the pack.zip file. Then click Extract All. When the window pops up, click Extract. And just like that, Windows unpacks the files into a brand new folder. For Mac users, you've got it easy. Just double-click the zip file and poof! Your Mac unzips it and drops a folder right next to the original. Don't gloat, we know it's easier on a Mac. For both Windows and Mac users, you can delete the .zip folder after it's been extracted. Step 2. Download your music. Inside your extracted pack, you'll find my almighty Halloween spell book. Well, technically it's the setup guide PDF, but hey, it's still packed with magic. Open it and scroll to the download links for your music. Click each link to open Amazon Music. Tap the 3 dots next to the song and select Buy Song. Buy your song, then download it. And repeat this for all 3 songs. If you have multiple packs, open my setlist page for Amazon Music and iTunes links to every track I perform. This will help you download your songs faster. For iTunes, click the link, scroll down, and click Also Available in the iTunes Store. This will open iTunes, where you can purchase and download your song. Step 3. Create your show. Now it's time to stitch your monster together. Use my spooky studio to create your show. You can access my studio from the guide or website. It's included with every purchase and it runs right in your browser. I recommend Google Chrome for the fastest experience. Create your account to get started. Use the same email address you used to purchase your videos from my store. I will email you a confirmation code to confirm your account. Enter the code to sign in. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by this video. You can always reference this setup guide along with other helpful guides and links in the help section. To get started building your show, click Start here. Then, build your setup based on the clones you own. You can select my Trick clones, your Lester clones, or me and Lester. Just make sure you select the correct setup. Let's start with a 4-foot Trick clone for this example. You can see your selected setup below the preview. Next, click Import Media. Find and select your Trick Ghastly videos. Once imported, you'll see them listed in the Songs section. You'll notice that we still need to add our music to these videos. When you import your music files, they will automatically connect to your videos and turn green. Now it's time for the best part. Let's create your monster mashup masterpiece. Drag and drop your videos into your playlist. You can add as many performances in any order your haunted heart desires. That's it. It's that easy to start building your show. Now, if you have my originals or skits, add them the same way you added your other videos. Let's import files from my Tricks Pack Volume 1 as an example. Navigate to the Parts and Pieces folders. Then import the originals you want in your show. Let's speed this up and import all the files for this demonstration. demonstration. After you import my original videos, use the category drop-down to filter and find the videos you want in your show. If you're not sure which one you want to use, click the play button to preview them before adding them to the playlist. When you find the one you like, click and drag it to add it to your playlist. You can add as many originals as you'd like, and unlike the songs, the same original video can be used multiple times in a single playlist. If you're not happy with the order of your playlist, simply click and drag the videos to rearrange them. You can watch your show using the playback controls below the preview. You can play, skip, and drag the timeline to skip to the good parts. Now, when dragging the play bar, songs may get out of sync with the audio, but don't panic. This can happen for a number of dark, disturbing technical reasons. Pausing and restarting playback will typically resolve the issue. If song performances still appear out of sync in the preview, they will resync correctly when you export your video. If you're building a multi-monster setup, select your Trick size and Lester. Import your videos and songs the same way you would for a solo Trick or Lester. Except this time, you'll see that you have to import both Trick and Lester for the songs to be used in a playlist. Once all the files have been imported, they will turn green and are ready to add to your playlist. You can still use Trick's originals with Trick and Lester setups. Simply import your Trick originals, add them to the playlist, and my Spooky Studio will automatically add a static Lester image. He won't move, but it will guarantee you have a seamless show when matching originals aren't available. One last tip. Your video files live exclusively on your computer. Web browsers, like Chrome, are not allowed to stay connected to your files if you close the window or refresh your browser. If this happens, your playlist will stay intact, but your files will show a warning message. Simply re-import your files and everything will reconnect automatically. Step 4. Export your video. When you're happy with your monster mashup masterpiece, save your project to your account. This makes it possible to update your show or add more performances later. Once your project is saved, select Export Video. Name your video and click Export Video. Now, my Spooky Studio will get to work rendering your finished show. This can take several minutes, especially if you have a long show, so be patient. Let's speed this up so we can get to the real magic. When your video is done rendering, it will automatically download to your computer's Downloads folder. Now your show is ready for glow time. Once your video is complete and playing on your projector, you can set it to loop in the projector's playback settings. You'll find the loop option next to the other playback controls like play, pause, stop, fast forward, and rewind. Once you set me to loop, I'll never stop singing. Now return to the guide to finish setting up your projector. And that's it! You're now part of the elite tricksterhood of the most haunted, most hilarious, most head-turning house on the block. And it's all thanks to your creativity, your courage, and your willingness to extract the magic of Halloween with me. I'll see you out there. Have a happy Halloween, stay loud, and stay spooky. If you want to be part of the Tricksterhood, treat us with a like and subscribe to unlock the bell so you never miss a good scare in your feed.
Why are you talking about food? First treats, now feed.
It's about the algo, Lester.
Algo? Is that like a vegan? Because I can't be messing with my diet. I'm a strict candytarian.
What? What? Okay. Like, subscribe, and stay spooky.